In today's connected world, finding the right balance between screen time and real-world interaction is crucial for your child's development. In this lesson, we'll share age-appropriate screen time, guidelines, and practical tips to establish healthy digital habits. According to research from pediatric associations, screen time should be limited based on your child's age. For children under 18 months, screen time should be avoided except for video chats. For children aged 2 to 5, limit screen use to 1 hour per day of high quality programming. For children over 6, establish consistent limits to ensure screen time doesn't interfere with sleep, physical activity, or real world learning. Balancing screen time with real world experiences is essential for your child's development. Children learn best through hands-on play interaction with others and sensory experiences. While screens can offer educational content, make sure they don't replace valuable time spent in conversation, outdoor play, or creative activities. Establishing healthy digital habits starts with setting clear guidelines. Here are few tips. First, be mindful of type of content your child engages with. Prioritize educational apps, videos, games that encourage learning, creativity, and problem solving. Next, be involved in your child's screen time. Co-view, play together, and talk about what they are seeing. This interaction helps reinforce learning and promote active engagement. Finally, establish screen-free zones and times, such as during meals or before bedtime, to ensure your child gets enough social interaction and rest. Using screens mindfully means selecting content that supports your child's development and setting limits that protect their overall well-being. Encourage the use of apps and games that help build problem solving, language, and social skills.
Reading a newspaper. Well done. Reading a story.
By following age-appropriate screen time, guidelines, and setting clear expectations for how screens are used, you can help your child develop healthy digital habits. Remember, the goal is to use screens as a tool, not a replacement for a real-world interaction and learning. Thank you for watching. Let's continue learning how to create healthy digital habits and support your child's development.